So, class 10th, students, this is your worksheet for today, and this worksheet is 42 number. So, as we know that we are celebrating uh, Mahatma Gandhi's Jayanti 140, then let's read about what we have here in the worksheet first. You see, Mahatma Gandhi was a leader celebrated the world celebrated the world over for his policy of non-violence. He believed in his true freedom and called it Swaraj. So non-violence, what is the meaning of non-violence? Non-violence meaning when you are when you don't believe in violence and you like to do things in peaceful way. So that is the meaning of non-violence. When you don't like violence, opposite of violence is non-violence. When you use positive and peaceful manners to find your way. He believed in true freedom. Now what is true freedom, which he called Swaraj? Swaraj means self-rule. Self-rule meaning when you are self-dependent, when you are not dependent on somebody else. So the word refers to Gandhiji's concept for Indian independence from Britishers or from foreign domination. This is against political and social systems followed by Britain. At that point, Britishers were ruling India. So India was totally dependent on Britishers. They were the one who were supplying food to us and supplying clothes. So India was not self-dependent. So that's why the idea of Swaraj came, and Mahatma Gandhi ji said that we need freedom. We need to be self-dependent. We need political and social freedom. And Gandhiji's concept of Swaraj advocated India's discarding British political, economic, bureaucratic, legal, and military and educational institutes. So Gandhiji Swaraj said that we are not going to follow Britishers. We are not going to follow their policies, their political policies, their financial policies, or their education system, because Britishers got their education system in India as well. They started teaching English in India, and they started teaching their own beliefs in India. They forced these things in India. So that's why adopting Swaraj means implementing the system where real power directly resides in the hands of people. So people become the ruler. People are the one who are holding the freedom and who are running the country. So that's where Mahatma Gandhi ji said that we need Poon Swaraj, that's called total freedom. So in his vision in 1946, he recites, power resides in people. They can use it at any time. Philosophy rests inside an individual who has to learn to be master of himself, of his own self, and of his community, which must be dependent only on itself. In such state, where Swaraj is achieved, everyone is his own ruler. So, India must learn how to be the ruler of himself. This is what Mahatma Gandhiji's Swaraj means. So, in today's worksheet, you have to write down letter to MLA. As you know, we have studied Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom, in which he has he had long journey towards freedom for blacks, just like Mahatma Gandhi and Bhagat Singh for India. So after reading, you have read this with me. After reading this, also thinking about it, what you read about true freedom by Nelson Mandela in the lesson from your textbook. Write a letter to the MLA of your area explaining Swaraj, what Swaraj means to you as a student and a citizen of your country. So you can write down letter to MLA. First, you are going to write your own address, that is sender's address. Then you are going to write down date. Then you are going to write down receiver's address. Who is going to receive the address? Receiver is going to be MLA. Then subject. Then salutation, respected sir oblique madam. Then you are going to say in the body, through the medium of this letter, I would like to explain what Swaraj means to me. You will change into me in your letter as a student and as a citizen of my country. So you are going to start the letter with this.